A Las Vegas attorney filed a federal civil rights lawsuit against the North Idaho sheriff today after being banned from the sheriff's Facebook page. Attorney Stephen Stubbs says the Clearwater County sheriff violated his free speech, and now he hopes a judge will agree. Krem 2's Kyle Simchuk is looking into the lawsuit tonight.
Well, Stubbs made comments on the sheriff's Facebook page criticizing the investigation into a deputy-involved shooting. Stubbs says those comments were deleted, then he was blocked from the page. Stubbs says the sheriff has no right to pick and choose who gets to weigh in. You may remember attorney Stephen Stubbs from our story last February. He represented the family of Mike Trappett, who was shot and killed by Clearwater County deputies. Prosecutors ultimately determined the shooting was justified.
This lawsuit is very important because our government officials should not be allowed to take away people's speech.
Today, Stubbs filed a federal civil rights lawsuit against Clearwater County Sheriff Chris Getz. Stubbs says he posted comments that were critical of Getz on the sheriff's Facebook page, and he had a right to do so. Stubbs says his comments were deleted, and he was banned from the page.
This was an official Sheriff Goat's Facebook page. He was speaking in his official capacity about official police business. When that happens, you don't get to pick and choose who gets to comment.
One of his comments pressured the sheriff to release the body cam footage of the shooting. He was told that could not happen until the investigation was over.
The investigation's been over for a month, and now they're not responding at all. And so they're doing everything possible to make sure that nobody sees that video.
Stubbs says the point of his lawsuit is to correct the behavior he says violated his First Amendment rights.
Sheriff Goats has a personal page. He can do whatever he wants on that. But when it says Sheriff Goats on it, and he's speaking as the sheriff about official business, that's when he's not allowed to alter or take away from people's speech.
And we reached out to the sheriff's office and Mr. Getz for a comment on the lawsuit, but have not heard back. Krem 2 also filed a public records request to get that body cam video. In the newsroom, Kyle Simchuk, Krem 2 News.